In Mumbai's Kalina, checking with small kirana shop owners. And the question is, are they updating prices in line with the new GST cuts? And are customers even being told about it? Agni, over to you.
Right, so we have been talking to retailers here in Mumbai, and from what we are gathering, the GST benefits are still some time away from being passed on to the end consumer. Retailers we have talked to have said there's significant ambiguity on how the prices are to be passed on to the consumer, and they are saying that there is no clarity from the distributor or the manufacturer on how to send these benefits to the end consumer. Now remember, our channel checks suggest that there have been some sort of clarity given to distributors that they need to pass on the benefits to the retailers who will pass it on to consumers, but none of that has taken place. In fact, retailers themselves have slowed down their purchases from distributors and indirectly from the manufacturers, hoping to clear out old inventory before the new inventory with updated MRPs or grammages come in. Now there is some amount of ambiguity present in small retailers, but larger retailers who go through systematic processes like your DMart and all have started updating their accounts to reflect the GST changes. But within the smaller retailers, there is no clarity. We are being told that consumers do come in asking for benefits of GST being passed on to them, but this is non-uniform and very limited compared to most of the consumers who still end up buying items on MRP. Now remember that there is a consumer helpline that the government has for reporting that the GST benefits are not being passed on, and that is a number where you can call and let them know your problems. But as of now, we are being told that updated MRPs will only be reflected from the second week of October. Until then, this ambiguity as to how the GST benefits in the retail sector will be passed on to the consumer remains to be a confusing point.
And that's all the time we had on this edition of Profit 360. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit for more news and updates.